Hello children, welcome to Social Studies class. This video for class 3, lesson 7, topic is community helpers. Let us see the introduction of community helpers. A community is a group of people living together in one place. It is geographical, social and cultural aspects with some degree of we feeling. Children, what is the meaning of we feeling? We feeling means oneness. Members in community are depends on each other and helping each other in order to develop of the community. For example, dear children, now due to the coronavirus, people are suffering all over the world. When we look at this situation, we can make out the individual from different services, helping each other and taking responsibility for the common good. For example, dedicated service of doctors, nurses, political leaders, policemen, etc. Let us understand about community helpers. Community helpers are people who live and work in our community. They help to improve overall well-being of the community. They are very important. They keep the community safe and healthy. They make life better for the people of the community. Now we will see some community helpers who play significant roles in our daily lives. Soldiers, farmers, teachers, doctors, policemen, firefighters. Let us see the role of soldiers in our community. A soldier is a person who serves in an army and works for the military full time. He fights for his nation bravely and protects its citizens from any danger. He used to defend his country and attack another country's army. A soldier always remains alert and guard the borders of the country. Soldiers also help civilians at the time of natural disasters such as cyclone, flood, tsunami, etc. Next, farmers. Children, what do you know about farmers? Look at this picture. Did you understand what they are doing? Farmers produce the food that we eat. They plough the land to produce a variety of crops such as food grains, vegetables, pulses, tea, groundnut, cotton and jute, etc. Most of the day-to-day needs are met by the farm products. You know, children, the old days farmers plough in the fields manually using oxen, but in modern farms are drawn by tractors, more facilities of irrigation and fertilizers. So the farmers are able to produce better crops. Next, teachers. Children, can you tell me how do teachers help you? Teachers teach us how to read and write. They make the learning easy and interesting. Teachers encourage the students to take part in different activities and games. Children learn healthy habits and good manners from teachers. Teachers love all the students in the school and help them to become good and fearless citizens. Teachers are guides and mentors for students. Next, doctors. Do you know, children, when we fall in sick, where we used to go? We used to go in hospital. Doctors help sick people to get well. They examine us carefully and prescribe medicines. Doctors give moral support to their patients. They also vaccinate to protect us from many diseases like cholera, typhoid, polio, etc. Doctors always try to keep people free from disease. Next, we will see how do policemen help in the community. Policemen are the most necessary component of any society. They are responsible for maintaining public safety and security by enforcing law and order. When fairs and festivals are held in our neighborhood, the policemen keep the crowd under control during processions and fairs. The traffic police control traffic jam and manage the traffic lights at roadside. Next, firefighters. A firefighter is a person whose job is to extinguish fires. They respond to fires, accidents, and other incidents where there are risks to life and property. Full time they are available to help the public in emergency situation. In case of fire, we should dial 101. They respond to a wide variety of calls. As well as fires, they assist car crashes, flooding, and water rescue, etc. They rescue people from dangerous situations such as collapsed or burning building or damaged vehicles. Now let us revise. community is a group of people. Next, community helpers play a significant role in our daily lives. Next, a soldier is a person who serves in an army. Next one, farmers plough the land to produce variety of crops. Next, teachers teach students how to read and write. Next, a doctor helps the sick person to get well. Next, a policeman is a person who maintains law and order in society. The last one, a firefighter is a person whose job is to extinguish fires. I hope that you all understood about the role of community helpers. Now let's see some exercise. Those who have book, take your book and do exercise. Exercise 1. Filling the blanks. Number 1. Dash play very significant roles in our daily lives. I repeat, dash play very significant roles in our daily lives. Answer is community helpers. Second one, a soldier always remains dash and guards the borders of his country. A soldier always remains dash and guards the borders of his country. Answer is alert. Third one, the traffic police control dash jam. The traffic police control dash jam. Answer is traffic jam. Fourth one, firefighters dash people from dangerous fire situations. Firefighters dash people from dangerous fire situation. Answer is rescue. Exercise 2. Write true or false. The first one, farmers produce crops in factories. I repeat, farmers produce crops in factories. Answer is false. Second one, a doctor only gives his patients some medicines. A doctor only gives his patients some medicines. Answer is false. Third one, The traffic policeman is also a part of the police force. The traffic policeman is also a part of the police force. Answer is true. Fourth one. We learn good manners from our parents and teachers. We learn good manners from our parents and teachers. Answer is true. The next, exercise 3. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Who teaches you? The teacher teaches. Once more I will repeat. The teacher teaches. Second question. How does a soldier help us? A soldier fights for his nation bravely and protects its citizens from any danger. A soldier fights for his nation bravely and protects its citizens from any danger. Third one. What is the duty of a policeman in fairs and festivals? In fairs and festivals, the duty of policemen is to keep the crowd under control. In fairs and festivals, the duty of a policeman is to keep the crowd under control. Fourth one. What is the role of a firefighter? The job of a firefighter is to extinguish fire and also to rescue people from collapse or burning building. The job of a firefighter is to extinguish fire and also to rescue people from collapse or burning building. Thank you.